I'm in a convenient location in the South Loop, on the rooftop terrace at 1001 South State, panning from the south to the east over Grant Park and the museum campus, and heading north toward a panoramic view of the Loop skyline from Navy Pier and Lake Michigan, out west toward the Willis Tower and the West Loop. The building's angled orientation serves up great views from the apartments, and I'm headed downstairs for a walk through one of them. I'm at apartment 1612, a studio, looking north over State Street toward the Loop skyline and leafy Dearborn Park. Floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades. Really spacious living, dining, sleeping area here. Easy ways to lay out your bedding and your living room furniture, and a breakfast bar island that could seat 4. Looking at in-unit washer dryer, and heading into nice sized walk-in closet. Really good shelving and hanging space. Turning back toward that wall of floor-to-ceiling windows, plank flooring throughout the apartment. It's a programmable thermostat. Kitchen has white quartz counters, under cabinet lighting, tile backsplash, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment above the undermount stainless steel sink. There's an ice maker in the freezer, 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and pendant lighting above the peninsula. Heading back towards the entryway. Coat closet would be off to your left as you enter. And just past that, nice sized bath, wide vanity with drawers for storage, and a triple mirrored medicine cabinet up above. A wide shower, frameless glass door, and large gray tile extending up to the ceiling. 1001 South State has an attractive location, an outstanding suite of amenities, a variety of apartments with upscale finishes, and it belongs on your must-see list. Head to 1001's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.